The worked example 7 pattern is the question. You know that they find the equation of the straight line passing through the each of the following pairs of points. So A point is just a minute. A point is 1, 2 and 3, 7. So you know that the gradient, you can use the gradient of AB. Know that the gradient y2 minus y1, so this one is the x1 value, this one is the y1 value, this one is the x2 value, this one is the y2 value. So gradient formula, you know that the gradient formula y2 minus y1, so 7 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, so the gradient is 5 by 2. The gradient is 5 by 2 since the formula so the equation of AB, the equation of AB is y equal to mx plus c. So m value is 5 by 2, so x plus c. So since the a value you can use 1, 2. So this one is a x value, this one is a y value. So you know that 2 equal to m value, you know that 5 by 2, x value is 1 plus c. So c equal to minus 1 by 2. So the equation is, the equation AB is y equal to 5 by 2 x minus 1 by 2. So you know the second question is C value and D value. C value is 2, 3 and D value is 7, 3. So the 3 is y coordination are same, so y coordination value is y coordination value are same, so you can use the horizontal of you can use the horizontal value, the line of the equation y equal to 3. So that is the answer. CD, the horizontal equation line is y equal to 3. That is the B question. So now we can change the C question. C question is F 5, 1 and F 5, 6. So here 5 values are same. So x value are same. So the vertical line x equal to 6. That is the vertical line. This one is the horizontal line. This one is the vertical line. So the value of y equal to 3 only, just you can, because the formula y equal to mx plus c is a constant value, so y equal to 3, because this is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line. So just you can put vertical line x equal to 6. Sorry, not a 6, is 5. Careless mistake, I can do it, is 5. Okay, thank you.